I hope, and this will probably come back to haunt me, but I hope that I'm not in the Dáil for as long as other members that I look across the chamber are in the Dáil for. It's not something that I ever set out to do. It's not something I necessarily enjoy doing. But
you don't enjoy it?
No. No.
You don't enjoy being a TD?
No, it's not something that I necessarily enjoy. There's things I would probably rather enjoy doing.
Yeah.
But it gives you a lot of satisfaction, particularly when you are able to deliver on a small level for individuals and you know that it makes a lot of difference for them, that you're able to maybe open doors that weren't open to them themselves or they didn't know how to open. That brings a lot of pleasure to you and satisfaction to you. But it's not something that I've ever set out to do, but there is something, and I've said this before and maybe I can't find the right word, but there's something in me and there's something in Republicans, there's that itch in us that doesn't allow us to sit back when we see injustices happening before our eyes. So hopefully we'll get into government, hopefully we'll turn this country in the right direction, and hopefully there'll be others then that can continue that job after me.
What would you like to do outside of politics?
I would like to live at home in Gweedore with my family and maybe open up a wee corner shop and sell sweets or something.
Okay. Pearse Doherty, thank you very much.
Thank you.